ये बहुत लकी है। हे पार्वती, एज कंपेयर टू यू, इन कंपेरिजन ऑफ यू, this Pakshi is very intelligent and this is very lucky. That's why already in the beginning I said one thing to you that this katha is not applicable for everyone. राम कृपा बिनु सुलभ न सोई। देखो राम की कितनी कृपा है कि ये पक्षी पक्षी योनि में आकर के भी भगवान की कथा सुन ली। और तुम मेरी पत्नी, धर्म पत्नी, बाबा भोलेनाथ की पत्नी, बाबा कह रहे हैं अपनी पत्नी पार्वती से, यू वी आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द कथा, यू विल बी नॉट एबल टू हियर द भागवत कथा। सो दैट वाज योर अनफॉर्चुनेट, ये तुम्हारा दुर्भाग्य था। यू नो, बाबा इज शोइंग समथिंग टू होम, to Bhagavati Parvati. Bhagavati Parvati is the wife of Baba Bholenath. Despite that, Baba is saying that was your unfortunate that you were unable to hear Bhagavad mantra. But as compared to Bhagavati Parvati, we all are very lucky that we are hearing Bhagavad Katha under the guidance of Bhagavati Vaishno Mata on the holy palace of Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. And this is our golden opportunity that we people are doing such type of religious things in such a नवरात्रि के इस सेशन में इस काम को हम सब कर रहे हैं. But Baba says this Pakshi is basically lucky as compared to, but I will kill that one. मैं उसको मार दूंगा because जीवन में कभी भी भगवान की कथा चोरी से नहीं सुननी चाहिए. He was hearing the entire भागवत महापुराण फ्रॉम द बिहाइंड, वो पीछे से सुन रहा था. और कथा को कभी भी पीछे से सुनना नहीं चाहिए. If you really want to hear, if you really want to sit in the front of Sant Maharaj, justly first of all you people should try to take a permission from him. When once he given a permission, after that you will be able to sit in the front of that particular person. After that you can hear Ram Katha, Bhagavad Katha, because he heard Bhagavad Katha, but he was hearing the Katha चोरी से सुन रहा था. And because and without taking a permission, that's why I will kill. उसको मैं मार दूंगा. So Baba hold his Trishul and Baba was moving towards Sri Sukdev Bhagwan. Sri Sukdev was moving, was running, and behind that Baba was running. Baba says, "Hey Sukdev, stop." बाबा से कहते हैं श्री सुखदेव जी, श्री सुखदेव जी, बाबा बोले ना, ऑलरेडी आई हियर्ड वन थिंग अबाउट यू दैट यू आर वेरी सिंपल पर्सन, यू आर, अब बहुत भोले. बट आज मैंने देख लिया रियली यू आर बहुत भोला हुआ. बिकॉज इफ पीपल नो दैट इफ द person who will kill me, that if he is running behind me, so why people will stop. अगर मुझे मालूम है मारने वाला पीछे से भागा आ रहा है, मुझे पीछे से भगा रहा है, तो मरने वाला क्यों रुके. So at the same time, व्यास पत्नी, wife of व्यास जी महाराज, was taking हाफी, वो हाफी ले रही थी, जैसे जमाई ले रही थी at that time when his her mouth opened at that time, and through the door of mouth Sri Sukdev was into there, and जाकर के गर्भ में उदरस थे. बाबा भोलेनाथ started saying, Sri Sukdev came out from the womb. Sri Sukdev says, I will not. Baba says, Vidhi ka vidhan. This is our universal truth that after 9 months just you will have to came out from there. Sri Sukdev says, I will not come till 12 years. But really, this is this real story that Vyasji mentioned in the Srimad Bhagavad Mahapuran. Sri Sukdev didn't come from there till 12 years. When जब वो 12 साल के हो गए माँ के गर्भ में, and the mother, the Bitika Devi, the wife of Sri Vyasji, starts feeling pain because 12 वर्ष की उम्र तक Sri Sukdev Bhagwan was chanting the name of God in the womb of mother, and Yeah, definitely we people can understand. So जब बहुत देखा पत्नी के दुख को सह नहीं पाए बाबा व्यास जी, so after that Baba Vyas ji starts chanting the name of Shiva, and when Lord Shiva came there in the front of Vyas ji, Vyas ji said one thing that Baba, definitely when आप जब किसी के घर पर आते हो तो लोग आपकी पूजा हवन कीर्तन सब कुछ करते हैं कुछ मांगते हैं बट टुडे आई एम वेरी in a trouble condition that I will say only one thing that आप यहाँ से जाइए because mother is my wife is in problem and until you will not unless you will not move from here Sri Sukdev will not come out from the womb of my wife so वो गर्भ में है और मेरी पत्नी को बहुत दिनों से पीड़ा है बाबा said definitely because of me your patni your wife had to be suffer from the pain so sorry for that and I am giving you a good wishes that your child will be very intelligent personality your child will be very intelligent in the entire universe after that when baba came out from there after that Vyasji says he Sri Sukdev now अब तो आप बाहर आइए Sri Sukdev says no I will not come because if once I came out that definitely you people used to make a relation with me and after that just my life will become complex. So instead of doing all such type of things, instead of feeling moh maya, just I should believe in that. I should believe in chanting the name of God. So मैं इस चीज़ों पे विश्वास नहीं करता. After that, when भगवान गोविंद came there and भगवान गोविंद स्वतः कहते हैं मेरी माया आपको टॉर्चर नहीं करेगी मेरी माया का प्रभाव आप पर नहीं पड़ेगा आफ्टर दैट श्री सुखदेव भगवान came out from the womb of his mother and at that time at this instant the Sri Sukdev starts moving towards the forest and the father Vyasji was moving behind him and saying that saying कह रहे हैं हे पुत्र हे और भागवत में वर्णन है यं प्रभजन्तमनुपेतं पेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेण तीतनमयता तरबोधविनेन्दु तम सर्वभूत हृदयं मुनिमानतोष Hey my son, where you are going? I have been waiting for you for the several years and जन्म लेते ही इस दुनिया में आते ही वेयर यू आर गोइंग यू शुड वेट फॉर मी एटलीस्ट टू वंस आई वांट टू हग यू मैं तुम्हें एक बार एटलीस्ट एक बार गले लगाना चाहता हूँ बेटे मैंने बहुत इंतजार किया श्री सुखदेव महाराज ने कोई संस्कार भी उनके नहीं हुए दिगंबर बनकर बिना कपड़े के he was moving towards the forest Sri Vyasji was moving behind him suddenly श्री सुखदेव भगवान वृक्ष में प्रवेश करके he starts saying that hey Pitaji hey Vyasji why you are looking so sad and why you are worrying about me that I am your child I was your child I am your child always I will be your child so not need to worry about that my motive my goal of my life is only to aware the people about the katha about the Bhagavad Katha so not need to worry about me okay if I will do something better from in my life definitely your आपके नाम का ही तो रोशन करूंगा आपका ही तो नाम होगा पीपल विल डेफिनेटली से आई एम सन ऑफ श्री व्यास उसके बाद व्यास जी स्टार्ट्स feeling very unhappy at that time and really because that was the adverse situation for Vyas ji so he seated on the stone and starts feeling unhappy. Suddenly, Sri Devi Rishi Narad came there and said, Kim Brahman Dinu. Hey Vyasi, why you are looking so sad? Because you are intelligent person. Already you wrote many granth, and despite that you are looking so sad. Dev Rishi Narad said, yeah, definitely you understood that I am in a trouble condition. I am in an adverse situation. That I am feeling very unlucky. I have been waiting for the several years. After that, I got one son. But lastly, my son left me behind and he went for chanting the name of God. You know, Vyasji is saying that my problem is not that my son left me. Problem is that कि जीवन में after despite doing many yagya havans because already I have been written many ग्रंथ I have written 17 महापुराण बहुत सारे शास्त्र लिखे but after that despite that I am feeling that I am incomplete. I am not totally satisfied from my life. जो काम हम अपने जीवन पर्यंत नहीं कर पाए मेरे बच्चे ने जीवन में जन्म लेते ही मोह माया सबको त्याग दिया. After getting such type of knowledge, after getting that much knowledge, despite that I am just moving here and there in search of Momaya. Till the present date I am suspending in the Momaya. But my son Sri Sukdev from his birth he is doing something religious. So definitely I am very lucky that in my home basically such type of children can. So I am feeling very lucky. But फिर भी still I am feeling unhappy that मेरा बेटा चला गया. Narad ji says, you really try to understand that when you people visit somewhere and if you see that if the frontier is suffering from कोई दुख है उसके जीवन में, so at that time to overcome the sorrow of that particular person, just we people should use to explain something, some जो आपके let us suppose something just people starts explaining your experience that if you already aware if you already suffer from the problem that definitely people start saying that not need to worry about the but already I had also to be suffer from such type problems. If you are suffering from this means you are not only the single persons, there are many persons that already suffered from such type of problems. It means to overcome the problem of the other, just we people starts sharing our experience in front of that particular person. Okay, so Naraji says, yeah, definitely I can understand that from what type of situation you are suffering, but at least you should listen, you should hear my katha. In my previous birth, I was the son of एक दासी पुत्र था. My mother was doing work in the home of the Sant Mahatma because in my village there are many Sant Mahatma. They were came in my home, came in my village. So by panchayat, Sarpanch of my panchayat was appointed my mother to serve the sadhu sant. So along with my mother, always I used to help my mother. So when Sant Mahatmas chanted the name of God, definitely I hear that. And after that, I am able to chant the name of God. So once I asked to the Sant Mahatma, Mahatma ji, I will join you when you will go from there. Mahatma ji said definitely, but you should wait till your mother is alive. जब तक तुम्हारी माँ जीवित है, तुम्हें यहाँ रहना पड़ेगा. Because it will be your responsibility to cure your mother. Because mother is your responsibility, not only your responsibility, that will be your liability. So once my mother was going to immerse the milk of the cow and her path basically a snake bite her, and because of the bite of a snake she became died, वो मर गई. And after that for some time just I feel starts very happy that now there is no any problem here. I can chant the name of God, means I can move here and there without taking any permission from. Now means there is no need to take any permission from anyone. So at that time when I chanted the name of God on the Yamuna Tat, so Brahma came in front of me after जब बहुत प्रसन्न हो गए. He said that definitely if you will chant the name of me for the 100 years, definitely in the next birth you will be my son. And जब मैं ब्रह्मा का बेटा बना तो ब्रह्मा जी ने मुझे कुछ ज्ञान दिए, 4 सूत्र दिए. इस 4 सूत्र को कहते हैं चतुर्थ श्लोकी भागवत. 4 श्लोक जो यहाँ पर ब्रह्मा जी ने अपने पिता, अपने पुत्र देवर्षि नारद को दिया. सो हे व्यास जी, 4 sloks that was given my father to me, I am giving you this 4 slok to you. Definitely when you already if you are feeling that your life is incomplete, it means that despite of reading many books, if you are feeling that your life is complete, so at least you should make a granth Srimad Bhagavat Mahapuran, in which just you should write the story of bhakt. After that you will feel that you did something. So Vyasji says, I am not able to do that because I am not very well, because in these days my situation is not well. So I have not energy. Baba says you can definitely you can take the help of Sri Ganesha. Sri Ganesha will help you. So but definitely you should write one books. After that definitely Sri Sukdev will come to you. So after that Sri Vyasji, with the help of these 4 sloks, Sri Vyasji expand this 4 slok into the 18,000 sloks and made Srimad Bhagavat Mahapuran. Boli Srimad Bhagavat Mahapuran की. व्यास जी